The week before Thanksgiving, with no kegs and bottles empty, something had to be done before guests showed at the entry. A beverage had to be made, brewed, and in a rush. It had to be quick and fast and without much fuss. What was that holiday beverage video I had seen? It was a small recipe. It was simple, I could clean. Who to come to the rescue but brewer Trent Musho? Thanks for the recipe. His channel is TheBruSho. The cranberry cider seemed like just the treat. To make it in time, it would be a small feat. Online shopping for a keg, accessories, and our hot new yeast, all in preparation for the yeast and our upcoming feast. 2-day shipping, don't fail me now. I'll get this made together somehow. To the grocery store I go for the things I need. Spices, fruit, and juices were no problem indeed. Spices of Star Anise and cinnamon, and orange for its peel and juice. Next, bottles of apple and cranberry. They will be needed for my use. Mulling of cranberry, simmer with the juice, the peel, and spice. After 15 minutes, spices and peel removed. You don't have to tell me twice. Into the keg the juices they go. Add yeast boost, yeast, and shake it just so. On Lallemand, on Kevik, on Voss. Work hard, work fast like a boss. Under pressure we are, the yeast and myself. Only days to go, I hope this seems like top shelf. Fermenting mulled cranberry, then juice of apple. Smells so good, oh I can't wait to sample. A holiday beverage, so simple and quick to delight. Happy Thanksgiving to all, and this came out all right.